Chapter 8, Plants. In this chapter, we're going to learn about different parts of a plant. Those are roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. We're also going to learn about different plant modifications, underground roots and stems, about care and concern for plants. Before we get into the chapter, let's do a little warm-up. Ryan loves to do gardening with his grandparents. Today, he is digging up plants from the soil, but it is very difficult to pull out the plants. Do you know why Ryan could not pull out the plants? Plants come in different sizes and shapes. We learnt about the different kinds of plants last year. Do you remember them? Any plant or tree you take will all have similar parts. Plants live on the ground. The part we see above the ground is called as the shoot, and the part which is underground is called as the root. Roots. Roots of plants remain underground. They give support to the plant. They hold the plant firmly in the soil. They also collect water and minerals from the soil. Shoot. The shoot is above the ground and includes stems and leaves. Stems. They are usually above the soil and it is the main part of the plant. It passes all the water and minerals collected by the roots to all parts of the plant. Leaves. All plants have leaves. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes. Most leaves are green in color. Leaves use the water and minerals from the soil to prepare food for the plant. Flowers. Most plants have flowers. Flowers produce the fruits or seeds of a plant. Fruits. Fruits are the fleshy parts of a plant. They grow from flowers. Some fruits contain seeds. Seeds. New plants grow from seeds. All grains and cereals are seeds. Here's the tidbit. Fruits carry seeds inside them. But cashew, it is special because it carries the seed outside the fruit. Let's think. Do you know the difference between fruits and vegetables? Fruits are the fleshy parts of a plant. Fruits grow from flowers and some fruits also have seeds in them. Generally, the extra food which is made by the plant is stored in the fruit. But in some plants, this extra food is stored in the root, stem or leaves. This storing of food changes the shape of that part of the plant. These modified roots, stems and leaves are called as vegetables. Vegetables do not have seeds in them. Spinach and lettuce store food, but they have not modified into any other shape. By this definition, the tomato is a fruit because it is the modified form or the fleshy form of a flower. It also has seeds. All parts of the plant work together for the plant to live and grow. To grow in some places, the plant changes its root, stem or leaves. In this way, the plant stores food and protects itself from the environment. Modified stems. Stems usually grow above the ground, but there are special stems which grow under the ground to store food. Potato, onion and ginger are a few examples of modified stems. Modified roots. Some plants store food in their roots. Carrot, radish and sweet potato are a few examples of modified roots. Modified flowers. There are plants which modify their flowers to store food. Cauliflower and broccoli are a few examples of modified flowers. Modified leaves. Some plants like cabbage modify their leaves to store food. There are also plants which modify their leaves to protect themselves from animals. Examples of modified leaves are thorns of rose and cactus. Did you know how the sunflower plant got its name? The flowers of the sunflower plant turn towards the sun as the earth rotates. The next topic is, what do the plants need to grow? All plants need air, water, soil and sunlight to grow. Plants absorb minerals and water from the soil. So it is important that the soil has to be rich in minerals and nutrients. Roots absorb minerals in the water inside the soil. All plants need water to make food. In summertime, the best time to water the plants is evening time, as the plants have all night to absorb the water. But in the morning time, all the water is absorbed by the hot sun. Air contains both oxygen and carbon dioxide. Like all living things, plants need oxygen to live. They also need carbon dioxide to make their food. Plants need sunlight as they make their own food in the presence of sunlight. Different plants need different degrees of sunlight. There are plants which need very little sunlight and they can even grow indoors. Here's a science top-up for you. A herb comes from the leaf of a plant and a spice from the seed, berry, stem, root, bark or a bulb. So, the same plant can be used as both a herb and a spice. For example, the fenugreek leaf can be used as a herb and its seed as a spice. Here's a mind map. Plants need air, sunlight, water and soil to grow. The different parts of a plant are roots, stems, leaves, flowers and seeds. We get modified vegetables from roots, stems and leaves. Flowers give us fruits and we get cereals and grains from seeds.